Hiya there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2013 Suzuki Splash SZ4. Got a really good spec on this vehicle, finished in the white, but you've got alloy wheels, buttons on the side there is keyless entry, so when you press them, as long as you've got a key in your pocket, you can open the boot or any of the doors. It's already open here, nice size boot. Small city car, and you've even got more storage underneath there. You've also got rear parking sensors. Onto the inside, everything's really clean. Nice comfy seats, all very clean insides. These seats are pushed right back at the minute. You get lots more space. Got aircon and Bluetooth parrot kit fitted by previous owner. More storage up there, and the previous owner fitted this which holds phones and sat navs into place, so you can have that connected to the Bluetooth. Just in over 46,000 miles. It's in lovely condition. Car to drive. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now. Bye.